So we're getting a late start today.
Thanks to Mike.
No. We're leaving right now. It's like 2 o'clock. We're gonna go get, you know, gas, food, coffee, whatever. And
I got vodka.
You do?
It's a complimentary vodka.
Complimentary
on
vodka.
Accutane too.
That, not a good mix. But we're gonna go, I think, explore some sick road up in Colorado in the mountains. And I got all my gear with me and everything, and hopefully we can get some cool shots and stuff. We're also gonna meet up with some pretty cool guys later in the day, so you guys will enjoy that. Mr. Lazy Boy forgot his vape inside the hotel room, so I'm gonna pull this little goyle around. Look at this.
We're climbing it.
You do not get this in Connecticut.
And we're climbing that today.
Today?
Yeah, we're parking right here and climbing.
I mean, I don't know, man.
What do you mean?
That, oh my God, it's so cool.
Dude, we can climb right there. And then walk around.
I think we'd get a little suspicious.
Fuck it.
I think people would ask
Colorado,
us
dude. You're allowed to do anything, apparently.
I guess.
Look at that. That's so cool.
We're not even on the back road yet, and I'm like
He's creaming his pants over.
already blown away. You guys don't know, but I'm like a huge like geography and like history buff. I love old stuff. I love stuff like this.
See, and that's good for me, because I had no idea about any of it. So like this whole time I get like a little history lesson of everything.
I guess, yeah. Look at this.
That is sick.
Cruising on this. This is so cool. You happy we're here now?
Oh, I'm stoked.
All right, guys. We decided to pull off to the side here. We figured it was a cool enough spot. This place is wild. Right now, we're gonna try and find a way to get up somehow. I got the good old drone with me. This place is absolutely insane. Like, I don't know.
What, from my camera? Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm at 40.
I'm at 60. So.
Dude, I think it's the heat that's killing the cameras.
Yeah, it's all good. But I got the drone. We're gonna try and find a way up somewhere. If not, then I can just launch.
Dude, what do you mean? You can go right fucking there. Oh, you mean with the drone? I'm trying to get up there, dude.
Yeah.
I don't know about you.
The drone, I can pretty much go anywhere, but we do want to try and get up here just because, like,
Why not?
why the fuck not? When else are we gonna get a chance to be out in Colorado? You know what I'm saying?
Now you fucking die.
Seriously. So, probably gonna send this bad Larry up and see what it looks like. We're gonna probably walk down here too, see what this is about. We made it to more nothing. I'm gonna find a flat rock to set this thing up on, and we're gonna
Right there.
send her up. Come on, little guy. Come back to me. So, we've been out here for a few minutes. Really cool over here, but also not much to see, just water and rocks and stuff. So, we're gonna keep driving. I think we've only like scratched the surface of this back road, so hopefully we come to a next stop, and we also wanna try and find a way to get up on top of a mountain somewhere, because why not? That's so cool. So yeah, we're gonna keep driving and hope that we can get on top of something or come across another cool scenic area out here in Denver. This is wild. We get nothing out here like this in Massachusetts or Connecticut and the Northeast, unless you go up to Vermont, but this is wild. I've always wanted to see Colorado. How you doing there, guy? Woo! So we didn't even make it a quarter mile, and Chris is already determined to try and climb this part of the mountain. Pretty high, but I guess he's got a plan. You got a plan? Yeah. He's got a plan. We've been walking for like 5 minutes, and we're already out of breath. We think we're halfway there, but it just keeps going up and up and up.
It's not fucking.
It's not.
It's steep.
Yeah, look at this. It just fucking drops straight down, dude. This is insane. I'm super afraid of heights, so I think this is good for me. It's still wild. I'm only like 15 feet lower than Chris, so I'm definitely getting the experience. The fact that we just climbed a mountain in Colorado. 2 fucking days ago, I was in my room on my computer, and now I'm in Colorado on a fucking mountain. Wild. Absolutely wild. I think I'm gonna try and fly my drone here. The land is very steep, so I don't know if it's flat enough to take off, but if I can, I'm gonna try. I also don't know if being higher up accounts for its altitude, so we'll see if it can go high enough, and if it can, then great, I'll get some more shots, but if not, then we'll skip to the next clip from here. Dude, I just flew the drone, and from us being this high up, the wind another 400 feet above us is really strong, and it was actually sending my drone away from me when I was trying to bring it back to me. So I was scared. I only had like 10% battery left. The battery in these drones goes so fast. I wish that they weren't so expensive to get more batteries, but we got the drone back, and thankfully the sun has gone away, so. You be careful. Mr. fucking Daredevil over here. He got a fucking cactus stuck in his hand. We gotta get up this mountain. It's fun, but me being afraid of heights, I'm ready to get back down, so yeah. So we were just all the way up there. We're back down here.
I seriously thought there was a chance we weren't making it back.
Dude, it was actually scary, but
I was just scared about the snakes. That's the only thing I was concerned of.
Yeah.
Falling fucking cactuses, I did it. I did it all.
We did it all. So right now, putting all our shit back in the car, and we are heading to go see Boostedboiz. Should be fun. You guys know I love Hondas, especially fast Hondas, even though I don't own any. And it'll be cool to meet them, hang out with them. So let's go. All right, guys, car's all washed, looks awesome. So we're like 3 minutes away from Boostedboiz. Excited to see them in their cars because, as you guys know, I love Hondas, so this will be cool to see, and it'll make me jealous. And Rudnick's drinking my Monster. So we'll be there in a few minutes.
Oh, sick bomb. First impression rub. Oh shit, dude. This is it right here.
This is her. She's turboless right now and third gearless.
Really?
Oh, that's actually, I can do it perfect in the phone.
What are you trying to do?
This alternator doesn't.
Rudnick's about to go for a ride in this thing. He's gonna shit his pants. So they just went out for their drive. I talked to him and told him that since we have to fly out on the 12th, which is 2 days from now, we got some extra time here to kill, and we might as well come back here to hang out at some point. And I told him, you know, I'm down to make a video with his cars while he's here, and he said that he's down. So I'm hoping that I can make a cool video with the hatch or something, but I think this will be really cool. I'm so thankful that like I have the opportunity to come out here and do all this stuff and film for you guys, and it's insane. You guys don't even understand. I'm still like a fairly small channel, but the fact that it's growing as quick as it is absolutely insane, and I thank you guys so much for that. So the boosted hatch is boost cutting a little bit, so I'm not gonna go for a ride with him just yet, but we are like 45 minutes late to the meet, so
Definitely send me this pic.
we gotta get there now.
We out. See you guys at the meet.
45 minutes late, it's all right. Trying to race.
That thing is so awesome, dude. So awesome. You building one?
Dude,
Maybe?
I want to. It's in the works.
It's in the works. It's in the works.
Wild. I'm just chilling. I'm doing a donut. No, just kidding.
We made it.
What up, guys?
Who ruined it? Fuck yeah, dude. Are we intercepting right now? You want to have sex?
See, we got a Honda lover out here. What's going on?
How's it going?
Not too bad.
Like a Honda.
Look at this thing.
You might actually need that first.
Mid-engine.
Simultaneously. As soon as they crack the VTEC, it's just
Wild.
This thing is sick.
Sorry about the wind. It's very windy up here on this hill, but it's a pretty cool turnout for just like a day of notice. And we're in Colorado, so it's not like a huge fan base, but still, you know, super cool to see these guys. He's gonna do one more burnout, run it down here. Pants falling down. Who cares? So it's starting to get a little chilly. We decided to stop in a Hooters. Like all
'Cause
50,
Mike's-
all 18 of us.
Is that how many we have?
What is it, Chris? What were you saying?
You're gonna eat the hot wing.
Ah. I don't know about that.
You have to. Oh shit, we're in Hooters.
I guess I'm eating hot wings.
Dude, they're like so hungry they'll watch.
I love these things so much.
He makes me want to do really crazy
I was thinking
things.
about just posting like a 30-second video.
He makes me want to do really crazy things to my car, and it well, no.
Hey,
See you
this
tomorrow, man.
Yeah, dude.
Nice meeting
Nice
you.
hanging with
third
you guys.
outro of the night.
Nice
Here we
meeting
are.
you, man. See you
Nice meeting
tomorrow.
you. I'll see you tomorrow.
Thanks for coming out,
Hey,
guys.
good
It was really
meeting you.
nice meeting you.
Absolutely.
And that'll be it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.